Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, inside we have a box. Looks like a plain old box here. Let's see, can't really read. It's kind of misprinted, or the print is fading. So let's just look at it now. Side we have a lanyard. It looks like a gyro ball. Get it out. Okay, inside it's just a gyro ball. So I need to exercise my wrist. So it says 1 minute, 1 healthy hand. And yeah, exercise my wrist. So I got this gyro ball. That's why I got this gyro ball. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description as well. And right here is where the lanyard goes in. So yeah, that's what's in this package. So if you're interested in this gyro ball, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.